say I never said it. So I produced a 3-hour and 29-minute DVD series entitled The Next 4 Years, Everything You Can Expect. When I got through with that, I was so appalled. Remember, I was a pastor for 12 years and a missionary for many years in Alaska. With a pastor's heart, I said, I can't leave people hanging there. We prepared a second DVD series entitled How to Survive the Next 4 Years, and I got 2 of the finest financial professionals of America together to help me. Please, I hope you'll take down our number, and then I won't say any more about it. Our toll-free number is 1-888-799-6111, or you can go on the web to prophecyclub.com, PROPHECYCLUB.com, or toll-free 24 hours a day, 888-799-6111. Now, I have never done anything like this before. We've never given solutions to this extent before. First of all, you must watch the derivative market. They told me that you can tell the sign that the average person can know before the dollar is going to come to a collapse. It will at some point. The euro is going to collapse. The American dollar will collapse. At some point, it's not going to take place. I don't think, from what my elite friends told me, that it's going to take place within the next 2, maybe even 3 years. But at some point down the line, it is going to happen. And they're going to use the derivative market as the method of collapsing all of the currencies of the world.
Sure, they create the mega debt, the 1,000+ trillion. They get their people into government. They sign them onto that. They tell us that we owe all the tens of trillions when most of it isn't our debt. That's how they've taken down third world countries. Now they've done it to Europe. Now they're doing it to us. It's about domestication. So it's not just about money. It's about power and control. And I understand that I know who your source is. And I believe that he believes what he's saying, and most of it has been happening accurately. And I can see a lot of it in the news as well and from my sources. But, I mean, you know, the dollar will be dead. Things are going to go to hell in a handbasket by the end of 2012. I mean, it was this big event. Now it'll just collapse over the next 3 to 4 years. Are you saying that just my interpretation of what he said was wrong? Or can you explain that to me?
Well, he explained it to me. In fact, I oftentimes say to my elite friend, I say, wait a minute, you got me in trouble. You said certain things and they're not happening exactly like you said it. And then sometimes he'll say to me, well, Chaplain, go get yourself out of a mess. We're doing the best we can. Other times he'll explain it. He explained this one, Alex, and let me try if I may. The dollar is already dead. It just hasn't come home to roost. What happened in Phnom Penh last week, the dollar, trillions of dollars are floating around out there now that haven't come home yet. What happened when the BRICS group met and formed their meeting? Look to some others, if you will. You remember the largest trade agreement that was ever signed in the history of the world was signed in February of 2012 when China and Japan said that they wouldn't use the American dollar in trade amongst themselves. Now, let me just list very quickly the nations that have already signed trade agreements: China and Russia, China and Brazil, China and Australia, China and Japan, India and Japan. And then there was the India and China, junk oil. Then there was Iran and Russia. Then there was China and Chile. Then there was China and the United Arab Emirates. Then there was China and Africa. And the Africans' biggest bank